Hello, my name is Greenlock, and this is how to build a Moddle Modpack. Now before you watch this video, if you don't already understand the JSON format, I highly suggest that you watch my other video, Intro to JSON, before you continue watching this video. That will help you understand a lot more of what is going on in this video. So, as you might know, or probably already know, the purpose of Moddle is to make modpack making easy. Now, we don't already have a user interface built around this yet, but it's still really easy to make modpacks. As you can see here, when you turn on the launcher, all of your modpacks are listed in this pane over here, and then the modpacks have descriptions in this really big description box over here. And today I'm going to show you how to build one of these modpacks, description and everything. So what I want to do is I want to build a modpack called Gears, and I already have some graphics made for that right here, and then I'll go through writing the description and all of the mods and everything else. So the first thing that I want to do is go to my model installation folder. I'm going to, all of your packs are inside of the packs folder. Create a new folder. Call it Gears. This is my Gears mod pack. Now I want to put my pictures in here. The banner image is going to be called banner.png. The pack.png picture is the small logo in the modpack list. The banner.png is going to be the large banner in the description pane. Now what I'm going to do is create another file, description.txt. Whoops, there we go. Now how this works is when you click on the modpack, the launcher loads its content from a specially formatted directory, that being the modpack. What it's going to do is it's going to look for a description.txt, which contains the description, and a pack.png for the logo, as I already said. So, in my description, you know what, how about I do this in NetBeans? Okay. Description files are specially formatted text files, which I will explain. This line places the banner at the top. There we go. I've got my description. Now this should load in the launcher if I turn it on. See, now I have the Gears mod pack, the logo, the banner, and my text. Now I'll talk a little bit more about this description.txt. I put this special line here that adds the banner at the top. You can add formatting to your description.txt files with this sort of syntax. Now here I have a list of all of the different commands that you can use for these lines. Now the way that these lines work is they start with $, double square brackets, then the attribute name, so it can be image. Image inserts an image from the folder based upon the name that you gave it. So banner.png over here in the description inserts that banner.png image. Reset resets all formatting, so any of the rest of these items that you add, it will reset to normal. So I could do bold, true. This would set my text to bold. If I wanted to have it not be bold anymore, simply reset. So properties, you can set alignment, bold, font family, font size, italic, strike through, sub and superscript, and underline. Over here are the types of values. Reset doesn't take any sort of arguments. String is a bunch of characters, banner.png for example. Alignment is a number, font size is a number. The rest of these are true or false. You can also do multiple functions in these lines, such as this. So now what this is going to do is set it to bold and italic. In fact, I should try this with my description. Since this is the end of pretty much the last thing in the file, I really don't need to reset it. Let's try this out. And now we have bold and italicized text. That's pretty much it for the description.txt file. Now that I've done that, I'll start working on actually putting mods in my mod pack. Now in this mod pack, I think what I want to do is I want it to have, well, let's see. How about Redstone Arsenal? Let's do that. Go to our packs, gears. Now what I'm going to do is create pack.json. As I said before, if you don't understand the JSON format, yes, I want to change it. If you don't understand the JSON format, you should definitely watch the Intro to JSON video. It explains JSON more in depth than this. Open this up. Now, I actually don't know what the format is right off the top of my head. I'm going to open the testcraft pack.json for reference. Create my brackets. Looks like I need a name, recommended version, and Minecraft version. Name is gears. Recommended version 1.0. Our Minecraft version is 1.6.4. It can also be noted that at this time we don't have any other versions built other than 1.6.4. You can build them yourself if you need them until we build them ourselves and distribute them. Let's see what else we need. Okay, next we're going to build the array of versions. I believe we place an object in here. Correct. Object. This version's name is 1.0 to match our recommended version. We need entry list. How about I do this? That looks better. Now in some of the model config files you won't see all this white space. That's because it's being generated by the application and it doesn't really care about white space at all. It'll just generate a big long string, pretty much unreadable. Our name, oh well, here we go. First we must install Forge, very important. Version of Forge we have is 9.11.1.965. Let me make sure I'm getting that right. Yes. Okay, and then our next entry is Redstone Arsenal version 1.0.0.0. And that's it. So here we have our gears pack.json with our pack name, recommended pack version, Minecraft version that is required, and then our version object with all of its mods. We're installing Minecraft Forge and Redstone Arsenal. Now you might be thinking, Redstone Arsenal, it requires thermal expansion, which requires COFH core to run. One of the things Moddle supports is dependencies. You can specify dependencies for a cache entry to be installed along with the entry, which is what we've done with Redstone Arsenal. When we specify to install Redstone Arsenal here, it's going to automatically install thermal expansion, which in turn automatically installs COFH core, which is really useful. Get out of the way, OBS. Okay, start model. Okay, I'm going to create an instance. I'm booting up my instance. COFH dep loader. That is a good thing to see, always. It looks good. Mojang screen. There we go. Minecraft. Mods installed are Forge's 3 mods that it installs. COFH core, multipart, which I believe is installed by COFH core. Thermal expansion, Redstone Arsenal, multipart, microblocks. Looks like it worked. Well, that's about it for building your own Moddle Modpack. If you need any help, you can watch the video again, and you can also contact us via Minecraft forum, Reddit, Twitter, or GitHub. Pretty much any of those will work. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you probably in another video.